What is up, guys? Welcome back to Overdrive. Today I got a cool video for you guys. I've been saving some of the Jetta videos. You guys haven't seen it in a while. It's just because it's winter time now. It's cold as hell, and I've been buying parts and saving them for spring. So I can't wait for springtime to install them all. But today I do have an install with the Jetta. So guys, here's the Jetta. Snow tires on. Just been trying to keep it as clean as possible in the winter time, so no salt eats away at it. But this video, I got a big exhaust leak, so I'm actually going to do a full exhaust system on the Jetta. So this is kind of an unexpected modification. I wasn't planning on doing a full exhaust system, but basically what happened was I got a big crack in the downpipe, and the O2 sensors are bad and stuff, and that's what's giving me my engine light. So I said, you know what, might as well just do the whole exhaust system, because the exhaust is old. It's from it's the original one on the car, and I keep patching up areas, and it keeps cracking in different spots. So I said, you know what, if I'm gonna do my exhaust, I'm gonna do it right, and I'm gonna do the full system. So basically, guys, what I got is a 2.5-inch downpipe, catted, with a Borla muffler, and these parts are coming. But today I am gonna go pick up the 2.5-inch downpipe from Das Parts. Alright guys, so we are back, went to Das Parts, and we got the 2.5-inch downpipe. Shout out to Das Parts, super nice people, and I'm looking forward to going to their car show in the springtime. They have one show in the spring and in the fall, so if you guys have a Volkswagen or an Audi, check out Das Parts up in Cambridge. So the downpipe is 2.5 inches, it's stainless steel, and it comes with the high flow cat. So basically on my original one, the flex pipe is completely cracked, so I was in desperate need for this downpipe, and I'm so happy. I'm gonna do full 2.5-inch exhaust from this downpipe and to the Borla muffler, like I mentioned earlier in the video. So the Borla muffler is coming. It's supposed to come in this week, and I got two O2 sensors ordered, so all that stuff's supposed to come this week. As soon as I get those things, I'm going to get it installed at an exhaust shop, and I'll film that, guys, and I can't wait to hear how this exhaust is going to sound. Alright guys, so it is a couple days later, and the Borla muffler just came in along with the O2 sensors. So let me show you the Borla muffler. So sick. I'm like so happy right now. Got a couple stickers with it, and here it is. So it's the Borla S-type. If you guys are wondering the actual product number, I'll give it to you here. It's 40842S. That is the actual product number of this muffler, and I can't wait to hear how it sounds. So hopefully sometime next week I will be getting this installed. It's a straight through muffler, and I got it for a great price. It was $135 with shipping and everything, and I just can't wait to get it installed. Alright guys, so it's been a couple weeks. I've been working, saving up some money so I can put this exhaust on. I'm ready now. So I didn't mention that I have a vibrant resonator on the car right now. So basically I have the downpipe and the muffler, but now when I go there, I'm going to debate and see if I want to put the resonator on or not. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know if I do end up putting the vibrant resonator on or taking it completely off. Alright guys, let's head to the exhaust shop, cue the cinematic.
Give it a shot.
Oh, sounds mean.
That sounds nasty. That sounds wicked.
Alright guys, what is up? So I'm back now. The car is finished. The last clip you guys saw was the car up on the hoist, and I did a little clip of the exhaust being done. So I want to tell you guys the exact setup I went for. So I did put back on the resonator that I had on before. So the whole system is a 2.5-inch stainless steel exhaust. It has a 2.5-inch downpipe straight back to the vibrant resonator, and then to end it off with the Borla muffler. I'm super happy with the way the car sounds, and it's time to give you guys some exhaust sound. Alright guys, I hope you guys can hear that. I hope the camera does its justice, but it's super cold outside and windy, so I hope You can hear the exhaust note. I recommend like putting in earbuds or home surround sound or something. Guys, this car, I'm super happy with the exhaust. It's nothing too loud, but when you get on it, the Borla muffler really gives it a nice tone and a deep sound. So I want to give a big shout out to Hidden Performance Exhaust down in Ajax. They did my car and I'm super happy with the way they did it. Everything they did was perfect. The welds were beautiful and they're a fair price. So big shout out to Miguel and Connor from Hidden Performance. If you guys need any exhaust work done, go to them. They're amazing. They really treat your car like it's their own. Everything was done perfect and I'm so happy with the way the car turned out. Connor and Miguel from Hidden Performance, they completely nailed this car. This is exactly one of the best setups for the 1.8Ts. It's a very common setup. Miguel actually has a 99 A4 with the 1.8T that he's working on, so Hidden Performance has cool projects. It's such a cool vibe there, and it's just a great place to get your exhaust done, and I can't thank them enough for the job they did on this car. So during the little edit of my car in the shop getting the exhaust work done, you guys probably saw a couple clips of the Boost North Lancer giveaway car. If you haven't checked Boost North already, go check them out. Big shout out to Boost North, they're super cool. Cool community to be with, just a great vibe there. They give away super cool cars, they got cool clothes, and their meats are so sick in the summertime, so definitely go check them out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you love the way the Jetta sounds. I'm super happy with the exhaust setup. If you have a 1.8T, definitely, I definitely recommend this setup. It sounds amazing. It's not too loud, it's not raspy. It just sounds like a deep sound, and especially with the Borla muffler, it definitely changed the tone of the car, and I'm so happy with it. In the summertime, guys, I'm gonna do a better video of the exhaust. Shane and I have a GoPro now, so we are gonna put the GoPro on the back here, and I'm gonna take it for a drive so you guys can actually hear the sound of the car while driving. It sounds amazing when you're driving, and I want to give you guys a better video of the way the car actually sounds. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Shane and I are really putting in a lot of work right now. We got some big ideas for the channel. I can't wait to introduce them to you guys, and just stay tuned, guys. The summer is coming soon and this season is just gonna be so fun. So guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video here. Thank you guys for tuning in, and just remember to stay tuned. We always got cool stuff coming to the channel. We try every Friday to post a video at 4 o'clock, so stay tuned, guys, and take it easy.